1/4 mile or less at times. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter storm warning for heavy wet snow and light icing, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: northern Connecticut, northwest Rhode Island, and much of central and interior eastern Massachusetts. Hazard types: heavy snow, along with some light ice accumulations. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches, except 6 to 10 inches in Worcester and Middlesex counties, along with a trace to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Timing: snow begins very early tomorrow morning, and may mix with freezing rain, sleet, and even just rain, before changing back to snow tomorrow afternoon and evening. Impacts: difficult travel. Large branches and wires can be brought down. Winds: northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on any unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winter weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter weather advisory for heavy wet snow and light ice accumulation, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: eastern Massachusetts, central and southern Rhode Island. Hazard types: heavy snow and light ice accumulation. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 3 to 6 inches, along with a trace to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Timing: snow begins very early tomorrow morning, and may mix with sleet, freezing rain and rain around midday, before changing back to snow tomorrow afternoon and evening. Impacts: difficult travel. Large branches and wires can be brought down. Winds: northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. A winter weather advisory is issued when snow and/slash shore ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would result in slippery conditions on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop. Winter weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter weather advisory for heavy wet snow and light ice accumulation, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: eastern Massachusetts, central and southern Rhode Island. Hazard types: heavy snow and light ice accumulation. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 3 to 6 inches, along with a trace to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Timing: snow begins very early tomorrow morning, and may mix with sleet, freezing rain and rain around midday, before changing back to snow tomorrow afternoon and evening. Impacts: difficult travel. Large branches and wires can be brought down. Winds: northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. A winter weather advisory is issued when snow and/slash shore ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would result in slippery conditions on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop. Winter weather advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather